twin double room, and it's walk in. You get the wardrobe. You get a wardrobe with a free safe, which is in there. It's a bit dark down there, but yeah, you do get the free safe, which saves you about €30 a week. Plenty of space. Coat hangers as well, and then you get you get the same again. It's exactly the same little setup, just a bit smaller. You get the shower room there. It's a very smaller one, very similar to like a Premier Inn, if you like. Double bed. I'm sure we probably split down, but they're actually twins, so we'll probably TV, kettle. Did you get an hairdryer in this room? And then you get a balcony. You get the balcony, and then this is a view of this room, all looking onto each other there. That's a room there. Air conditioning, one air conditioning. Get a phone to reception. Exactly the same. Air conditioning. Mirror, chairs. Just this is what it looks like from this end. Plenty of sockets for charging. Air conditioning is lovely. There we go. Hi all, I hope you enjoyed the room tour there. And this is onto the fun stuff now, where the slides. This was absolutely fantastic. Going down all them slides, did some great exercise there, going up and down the stairs, getting down there, all the fun stuff for the kids. They loved it. Onto the double eight. It's like an 8 dinghy one where you go down to the top and it's a curvy one going round. This was a fun part because I'm going down and I actually got stuck halfway down. So I'm holding on to the halfway down. I'm holding on to the camera with one hand, and on the other hand I'm holding the dinghy. And yeah, it didn't go too well, but it goes down forwards. But it were all fun. It's brilliant activities, brilliant. Everything was fantastic there. Yes, and then so the indoor pool, lovely shaded area. It was fantastic. It was a cooler part. I think that would be great in the winter. This is August, so this is getting up to 37 degrees. I had to do some underwater stuff with the kids, with a camera. Get the camera underwater, get the kids in. Oh, this is a pastry. So everything that's bad for you is here. So cookies, buns, muffins, whatever. The lady there, she's doing the pancakes. But you can have chocolate in there. You can have spinach in there. You can have potato in there. Here are the ice creams. So we've got cornettos, we've got twisters, we've got feasts, we've got the tubs of ice cream. We've got like these orange ice creams, lovely, absolutely fantastic, great branded stuff. Great ice creams, the ones you'd be familiar with at home. I enjoyed them. This is the complimentary shuttle bus, which runs every 15 minutes down to the beach and the entertainment area down the bottom. The drivers are fantastic, and there's one which I really got friendly with. Absolutely fantastic. You can get loads of people in there. And it just runs constantly running every 15 minutes. It saves you about 10-15 minutes walk. Here we're going to the beach pier, the private beach. We've got the private beach area there. We're going down there. I've sped it up a little bit just to get down there as quick as possible. The sea is absolutely fantastic. The sea is warm, quite warm. It's a pebbly beach. The staff coming up now, really friendly. Really enjoyed talking to you. Always smiling. They work so hard. Take my hats off to them there. So there you go, happy smiley face there at the bar. Coming up is the aqua in the sea. I've never seen that before. I don't know if anybody has. Let me know in the comments if you have seen that before. And there's just lounging around, waiting for the aqua to start. I've got family members involved. I never got involved there. It was too hot for me. But yeah, it was lovely. There we go. Here we go. We've took all the noodles, as they call them there. Here's the in the entertainment area down by the beach. You have one of these where the buckets splash over all the slides. Next to there's a big pool there where all the entertainment goes on, where they have all the fun games. For example, big inflatables you've got to get through, a bit like a wipeout. This is down in the snack bar area. So this is a snack bar area where you've got the food, loads of spaces to sit there. I enjoyed being in there, and it's quite cooler in there as well. Really enjoyed that area. Get your drinks, always clearing your plates away. This is the Italian. Lovely food in the Italian. We got one to stay there. In fact, we could in the a la carte you could have, there's different a la cartes: Mexican, Asian, Turkish, Italian. We chose the Italian. We only did it once. We could have done it twice, or could have chose a different one as well. But look, pizzas, starters, a lot. Beautiful food, beautiful staff, great staff. You'd never go hungry in this place. You'd never go hungry in this place. Lovely, just a lovely view of it. Plenty of shops, plenty of souvenirs to come back with as well. Plenty of souvenirs to come back with. Loads of shops, cheap. I mean, look, you can see some markups there of €5, €10, €15. Bags about €25. My advice is take a bigger case. Take a bigger case, because you're always going to come back with more. Do not try this at home. So this is some earwaxing, burning earwax off. It's an unorthodox way, I guess. I saw it, I spotted it, and this guy's family saw me. He said, "Yeah, just go in and film. Don't worry about it." I don't think he was expecting to get that done. I think we just chucked him in a chair and did that. But thank you for letting me film that. That's fantastic. I've never seen that before. Let me know if you've seen that before, and let me know if you've had it done before. Because I found it very unusual. I'd never get it done, I don't think. I think I saw the guy paying, and it was about £20, £30. I'll leave you with this time lapse. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you're not subscribing, get subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you very much. Bye.